Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 26th day of June, 2025. And if you've been with us any period of time, you'll recognize this. We have the Samurai Day Trading Strong Candle Indicator with the arrow pointing in the direction and the color of the direction we want to trade. So whenever you get a candle with one of these behind it, you just jump on it and you run, provided there's no brick walls in the way. There's nothing in the way right here, and we'll just wait for this to push down. We'll put an order over the top and we'll go. Now the PVI market was pretty slow today. They weren't very powerful. I expect the next candle to be anywhere from 30 to 40, maybe 45-ish ticks long. Um, I don't know. We'll see. The way this worked out in the room was we had a couple traders take this in the room. It pays relatively quickly. We'll go ahead. They were maybe using this ATM or a little bit smaller one, but we'll go ahead and use this one, which means we'll go for 16 tick first target, 30 tick second target, and we'll just throw a runner out there and see what happens to 90 ticks. So this does happen pretty quickly, so we'll go ahead and put the order on first to buy. If this retraces, we'll come down to the body, and let's see how we work out. Wonderful. Push down just a little bit. If it doesn't push down, then we're not going to worry about it too much. All right, there's a bit of a push down. We'll go with that. All right, we're in the trade. Now, when this first trade target gets hit, our stop comes all the way back to a break-even position. But if I remember right, this just explodes. Yeah, boom, it just ran through everything. So it did happen relatively quickly. It does happen. It's unusual that actually happens like that. That trade actually paid in 30 seconds and was worth 765 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 765 US dollars in 30 seconds, then come and join us in the live trading room at samuraidaytrading.com. Samuraidaytrading.com. We'll look forward to seeing you in the LTR real soon. God bless you and have a good day.